Alright, so now we're gonna go for a drive to something I didn't know the app actually shows you. Everything you need to know and how to use your phone. You can see the camera right here on my screen, which is perfect. Now I know why people use GoPro. You know, there's a bit of a delay on what I'm seeing. It's still there. So we're gonna go for a drive. Usually I have this mounted up here, playing music, watching YouTube, all that good stuff. But for right now, you know, I'll just leave it right there, and we can let the sound of the road take us away, and I'll be running my mouth for the most part because nobody wants to see or hear what I'm doing. I just want to see how clear it is so I can use this to drive and answer some of these texts. So yeah, and hopefully while I'm doing some of this stuff, it really, you know, works out for the channel. Doing as I always say, the best I can do. But yeah, my best usually doesn't amount to much of anything. I thought if I was to do the whole New York auto show for everybody out here, this woman already trying to kill me with the GoPro plugged in, that people would watch it and see what's going on. The show was a little underwhelming. Some cars I've seen before, and I enjoyed the time and all that, but, you know, it just didn't amount to much. Didn't get any views. But I've been going since like 2012, so it's not like, you know, I lost out on anything. I enjoyed my time there. I enjoyed filming on my phone there. It's just a lot of other guys were recording and all that stuff. I didn't see any other big time YouTubers. I guess that should have told me something. But hindsight's 2020. It didn't really matter. You know, I'm gonna do this channel regardless of how many people watch the videos, because I enjoy it. If other people enjoy what I'm doing and want to see me do more of this, then that's what I'll do. But for now, just try to build the channel the best of my abilities. And my hair is really dry. I gotta take care of that. I also want to go to the gym. I mean, people want to see me drive on my knees. I've actually never done that, so yeah, we're not gonna be doing that today. It's just ultra quiet in this car. It's not the loudest car. It doesn't have the big time exhaust. It's a, you know, V6 little BMW, and it's the one that grenade on you at any moment. So this car could kill itself while I'm driving for the first time with this GoPro. And I mean, I guess that would be good content, but that would suck for me because I just got it. But you know, Car Wizard said don't buy one of these, and I watched that video and then went and bought the car. So that should tell you the type of foolery I'm on. I would swear, believe me, but YouTube frowns upon those type of thing. You know, ever since the adpocalypse, they don't want people cussing. I wasn't a part of YouTube during that time. I just you know, thought about putting together a YouTube channel. This guy on the side of me is trying to speed up around these other drivers, but he ain't getting in front of me, or at least not yet. So yeah, I don't want people to think I'm speeding. I'm not. I'm doing the speed limit to the best of my ability. And I want y'all to know, people in New York cannot drive. I'm not one of those people. I've never been in a car accident. I've never gotten a speeding ticket or any of that stuff. So I'm not what you would call an exciting driver. And all this is just basically something for me to talk about while I'm testing out this camera. So, you know, I could mute it, but I really need to see or hear how the camera sounds. I want to get a microphone for it, but I'm gonna tell you, I'm cheap. So I don't got a lot of money. I got enough to do something with. And right now, what I'm doing is trying to make this channel better. I want to buy a new laptop and all that stuff, and wish I was able to do all that basic YouTuber, auto YouTuber thing, you know, get your car wrapped, get rims. But as I said before, this car's not super expensive. If I was to get a wrap, it would probably cost more than the car. If I was to get rims, it would probably cost more than the car. And telling by the views that this car gets me, it's not really worth it. But then again, my channel is extremely small, and the views might go up. You know, I got the GoPro, whatever. I can do some of the car spotting and chasing and stuff that I want to do. It's just at the moment, this is all I can do for you guys. People honking at me before you even get to the light. Yeah, light just turned and they already want you to go. So yeah, we're just gonna be heading my way back home. The likelihood you've seen that part of the video is gonna be slim to none. I'll, you know, cut it off way before I even get to that part, but I'll still be running my mouth down for editing purposes, and hit you with the outro, you know, try to edit this video together, because it was literally all over the place because I didn't know what the heck I was doing. No clue. This is the first time using the GoPro, setting it up, and I wonder if you can use multiple setups on the app for all your GoPros. You know, I won't know that until I buy another one, which would be, I don't know when, because I'm not going to be repositioning this GoPro every time I want to take pictures from different angles. You know, like, I ain't made the money, but that sounds like a lot of work, and I ain't in for that. So yeah, really liking the GoPro, I'll tell you that. I can see why some guys never upgrade to, you know, DSLRs and stuff like that. I thought for real I was gonna be with that iPhone X for a long time. I didn't start with the iPhone X. I had a 5S for years. I had a 4 for years, but I wasn't doing GoPro and any of that stuff like that. Yeah. My engine's over there calling out, screaming. A lot of stuff need to be fixed with this car. Especially the rotors, you might hear them grind up. You know, it's gonna be a pretty expensive fix on my end. But what can you do? You know, it has to get done eventually. But right now, it's not hindering my driving at all. So I'm gonna let it do what it's gonna do. Yeah, but I actually do love driving this car more than I thought I would. I knew I was gonna really enjoy it, but I think it might have something to do with the fact that it got my own car again. And that's a real big deal for me. All those years of not being able to afford a car, not being able to drive my own car, really was annoying. I really couldn't do anything. Rode the train more times than I could count. Rode the bus more times than I could count. And the bus is really what did it for me. I wanted, you know, something newer than the car I have, but my credit is not perfect, so I decided I was going to build my credit and get the most available car to me, and that was this. I was lucky, you know, the guy who owned it before took care of it. The guy I bought it from really didn't know much about cars. He didn't have any oil in this car. If it had any radiator coolant, the brakes hadn't been changed. You know, he said he had them changed. Said he had the oil change, but the oil change on the car said that was 3,000 miles ago. So yeah, that part was rough. Car, you know, turned on, the engine turned on. So that's what really got me. So I was like, okay, it turns. That's all I really need to know. Anything outside of that is plus. But yeah, we're on to my destination. So, you know, I had to wrap this video up for you guys, and I hope you enjoy this little test video of the GoPro. I'll place it in other positions and things of that nature. Try different angles, because you know this has got to come out the car. And go with me. I'm gonna have to get a bag or whatever, take the stuff. And yeah, if you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, dislike the video. If you want to see what I got planned next, come see what I got planned next. I got a lot in store for this channel. I really want you guys to be there with me. With that said, I'll catch you next time.